What's going on, guys? Corey here, and today we have a Seagate build which Seagate are actually giving away. Now, I'm not sure if they've already picked a winner yet, but we have two Seagate FireCuda 530 drives, their newest drives out on the market, some of the fastest in the world as well. And we're going to be giving them away to two of you lucky winners. Now, the first drive is going to be given to one person who retweets this tweet. The second drive is going to be given away to someone who enters our Gleam link. I'll leave that in the description for you guys. Now, this is worldwide, so good luck, and I hope you all enjoy the build. To activate all of Windows features, head on over to MrKeyShop.com. Purchase a Windows 10 Pro OEM key for as little as $49.90, a fraction of retail price. Your activation key and instructions will be emailed to you within seconds. And make sure to use code IFR10 for 10% off. You can also enjoy all other software such as Microsoft Office, antivirus, and much more. Mr. Keyshop's specialized technical support is completely free, and all of their products are original and 100% guaranteed. Interested in earning a little affiliate revenue? Then sign up to their affiliate program. I'll leave the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the build. I'll leave all of the parts in the video description if you'd like to check them out further. And as always, your support is greatly appreciated. You can become a YouTube channel member or a Patreon. It helps us out greatly. I'll leave those links in the video description. As always, if you enjoyed a video like this, then consider subscribing and check out more videos on the channel. Consider leaving a like and comment down below. And don't forget to enter our giveaways. We'll see you all in the next one.